Shibaura machine delivers powerful integrations and a full range of all-electric injection molding machines for your needs. Learn how these systems work together to create a two-material stylus, holder, and assemble them into a case in this Industry 4.0 cell with advanced insight and management. The stylus is manufactured on the 250-ton SX3, which has been fitted with a second injection unit. This E-multi-second injection unit by Mold Masters can be retrofitted onto existing SX, SX2, and SX3 machines, or ordered pre-configured with a new machine. The first shot is made with black ABS plastic for the body of the stylus. Next, the robot moves to the body of a second set of cavities, where the second injector unit adds a soft rubberized tip to the stylus. SX3 units can also be configured with a servo-driven rotary table. The flexibility of connecting a second injector opens new opportunities, and with tight integration between the V70 controller and the second injector, it's easy to take advantage of these possibilities. While the stylus is made, the 85-ton SX3 is creating a USB holder. The SX3 and V70 controller make setup intuitive and deliver consistent results. Integrated into the V70 controller are support tools, like a built-in setup guide and the ability to calculate starting shot size and cooling time. These tools make it fast for your operators to get production online. The all-electric motors deliver precise, repeatable results capable of packaging-level speeds on standard configurations. When ready, the robot arm brings the stylus to the holder and then onto the final step of the assembly. The 200-ton SX3 is molding cases for the stylus. Insights, monitoring, and analytics are tracked for this machine and the entire cell through Machinette Cloud. Machinette Cloud securely allows operators to monitor production in real time and receive instant alerts for preventative maintenance and more. If a challenge arises, Shibaura machine technicians can be invited to connect remotely and minimize downtime. Machinette Cloud and Memory Link bring a new level of production insight and rapid part changes. Memory Link allows a single preset change on the V70 to simultaneously configure the second injector and robot for seamless production changes, reducing the risk of costly errors. And with Machinette Cloud, recipes can be saved and deployed to produce consistent results. Shibaura Machine's intuitive operation, powerful integrations, and advanced insight and management enable you to deliver your next product reliably. Contact your Shibaura Machine representative today.